Hey guys, we had a great pre today. This is Tuesday, November 5th, election day. Definitely when the market opened, it definitely changed. Z-Car had some good trades. We had a couple guys get it on the way up. I just waited for this retrend right here because I can see the curl a little good. Got about 3 trades at 612 on the turnaround. Didn't want to jump in this because I think I had a friend that jumped in here. And I just wait for it to form. You got to be a little more patient. And then if it comes up here 680 and re-breaks, incredible trade. We had BGDX as well. We had a couple trades off of this. Nothing in pre, did open up, did play around. Here's another line that it broke with a nice wedge. And then it formed up and went a little more gangbusters. So very good trade. You'll see those 3 run-ups in there. And then we're going to go through all the pre-market gainers. So we're going to go ZVA, that 270 line, all morning long right here, all morning long. Just waited for it forever, then it finally did break, and we got some of that trade. Probably could have got in this right here, this play. We didn't get in it, but we did take it over the highs that we looked at, the whole long compression for it to get in. And then people were still looking for little trades over this area, bouncing between this open channel. I had a channel right here that broke down, and it did not do anything. Basically a big symmetrical wedge. That was the line we were looking for. Never got it. It still could be doing right now. And then SPPL had a great retrend right here. This morning we were waiting for it, but symmetrical wedge just breaking on down. Symmetrical triangle, my apologies. And then, yes, the retrend right here, just a nice dip, a good 2-popper. And that's good. That's all we needed. A lot of good 2-poppers. If you know how to play them properly, you'll get it pretty sound. And then we had, what was it? PLTR. That was a very good one. So let's go ahead and look at that one. Call that at the 47.52 in pre-market right here. This line right here, if you're going to notice, look how many lines it had touched yesterday's afternoon after earnings. Here, and called this in pre. And it did bounce off this line right here, making nice headway up. So still cranking away, but that was an easy pre-market trade. And then a bounce at the open off of good levels that are holding tight from yesterday's high of the day right here. So that's what you're looking at when you're taking some trades. Just look at some previous levels, and that's hopefully where people are just saying, hey, it's worth more than that, and that's where we're going to support the stock. And then, hey, if it's not that worth that much, we're going to stop trading it. And then also the big baller every day lately, because of the election, is DJT. I just scalped the living crap out of this in about 27 different little areas that just worked really good for me. It did have a bounce off this morning, and it did have an algo right here. And this is just yesterday's play right here. And it did find support here this morning at the same play once it did break down a little bit. So right here, support, and then it did crank it on up, and then did find another support line right around here, and then cranked up some more. But basically, as long as the tape's going, you can pretty much read these plays pretty easy. We do have a master's class tomorrow on patterns, so if you want to see it, just go to Venmo, not Venmo, but FOMO Nomo on Telegram, or you can call me 281-250-9448. It's 150 for about an hour of 3 or 4 major patterns that are happening the whole time that you need to know how to play them. And then also just learn how to see them live and how to play them properly, that you can put profit in your thing and then have financial or location freedom is what I'm really looking for. Hey guys, also ALBT had some really good plays. We had this in pre right here, this big explosion. This downtrend play right here, easy play right here. We got that call. We called that out about 7 minutes before it happened. And then I think we got one more play off of this trough right here. And if you think this is nothing, this is still a 40, 50 cent play with 1,000 shares. That's a $100 move. A $500 move. So get on it. 1,000 shares, you get a $100 move, or 1,000 shares, you get $500 move. If you can get a 50-cent play, and otherwise it is trying to retrend right now at that 355 and that 347 area that we called out pretty early right here at that 347 line right here. And that was the line we called out pretty early because we were looking for things that we wanted to see that was looking good. So, hey guys, y'all have a great day. Just wanted to give you a little recap. Sorry if I've been a little absent. I do live trading every day for our group. And so sometimes after that hour and a half of a little fun with momentum stocks, she kind of like beat out. So I do apologize, and here it is. Y'all have a great day. Reach out if you need a nice chat room. And if you need a master's class, I usually give one a month on some subject that I think is very important that I've learned, and I would like to pass that on to you. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.